Hello everyone, welcome back to the Spanish classroom. My name is Roger and I am the Spanish teacher. Today we will continue with grammar, right? But we will continue with preposiciones, prepositions. So let's get started. And the preposition for today, one of them is por, how to use it, or generally how to use it. Remember that this classroom is based first and the student book Aula 1 or Aula 1, right? So this is started beginner, right? Even though the word por, the preposition por is used widely in many situations, this level I will teach you is basic level. Maybe a little bit more for you to have a better grasp in Spanish language and how to use it. But let's focus into the student book level 1 starter. All right? Okay, let's do it. Vamos a hacerlo. Y how to use it. For example, in simple sentence, por si acaso, just in case. Remember that at the beginning, I'm doing the translation to make it easy for you, right? But later on, you have to find a way to find the translation, encouraging you, empowering you, for you to have a better ways and better understanding to develop your own skills. Por si acaso, just the way, just in case, or also por cierto, by the way. That's a way to use it. The word por, the proposition, la proposición es por. Another way to use it, por un momento, for a moment, por un momento pensé que era real. For a moment I thought it was real. Actually, if I'm talking like this, it's a little bit advanced, but it's just to put it in the context for you to know how to use it. Por un momento. By a moment. Then another way to use it, to work with, is to asking or to telling someone, right, a timing. To give an example. A las 8 paso por tu casa. At 8 o'clock, I pass by your home. Actually, you can use it also. Por las 7, some people can use it in that way, right? By 7, I will drop by your home. But in this case, it's only a las 8 paso por tu casa. At 8, I pass by your home. Remember the paso, right? Pasar, the verb pasar. Since I'm talking on the first person, the verb is already conjugate. The verb is pasar, but yo paso, I pass by your home around 8 o'clock. Even though now we're just working with the por, right? Next one. Por. No trabajo por un problema físico. Let's do it a little bit more complex. I don't work, but por un problema físico. It can be for a physical problem or by a physical problem, right? In this sense, can be by or for. But let's take it in the context of the meaning of the sentence, all right? No trabajo por un problema físico. I don't work for or by or because you have a physical problem. No need to direct translate. You need to interpret the context of the sentence, right? Next one, por, by. Should be voy por la avenida, right? But the question, how it should be? ¿Por dónde vas? Voy por la avenida. Let's say someone asking you, also, this one also, you need to be in the context, right? Let's say you're going to the school and they asking you, or someone asking you, ¿por dónde vas? Voy por la avenida, right? Or you are walking by or driving by somewhere, someone call you, right? ¿Por dónde vas? O ¿por dónde estás? And you can tell, voy por la avenida. I go by the avenue. ¿Por dónde vas? By where you go. That's the Spanish meaning, not the English meaning, so don't get confused. Next one. Trabajar por necesidad. Work by needed. Or because you need it. Right? O yo trabajo por placer. I work by pleasure or for pleasure. Even though either way is for or by pleasure. Trabajar por necesidad. Right? Next one. Por, by. Eso pasa por ser. That happened by being anything. Right? Let's say you do the mistake. Eso pasa por ser distraído. That happened for being disturbed or distracted. Let's say you get a success, right? Eso pasa por ser inteligente, intelligent. Or you really push forward to try to do something, all right, and you get success. Eso pasa por ser valiente, right? That happened for being valiente, right? I hope it's clear how to use it on the first, in the beginning, on the starter, how we use por, even though in the next videos I will come out with some more examples for you to understand. Now, if you want to understand more how, you can go through the student book, right? This is just the grammar side. In the student books, in the communication side, we use it and we place it in the whole context so you can have a better understanding. All right? Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video. Hasta la próxima. Adiós. Chao, chao.